this is Nuna Army. So today we'll be doing another set of unboxings, and this is still part of my attempt to really catch up and open like really old packages. And by really old, I mean we'll be opening Super Junior The Renaissance. We'll be opening Monsta X One of a Kind, you know, albums that came out like early last year. Yeah, I didn't move back to the Philippines last year, so life has been a little bit hectic. But it was when I was cleaning up like my stuff, and then I saw this huge box, and I realized it was my Super Junior Renaissance albums that I just never got to open. That's when I realized, oh my god, okay, I really need to hurry and catch up. So yes, sorry, you really have to bear with me through the process of like trying to catch up, because life really just, you know, happened. And yeah, but I think it's nice. It's a little bit of like time travel as well. So let's start with this, which is actually 80s, and I got this. I had to write these down like when I got them because I do not remember anymore. I got this from Sub K, and I got it in, okay, July. It's not so bad. The Zero Fever Part 2, are you kidding me? Yeah, so anyway, this is the 80s behind cut photo card set of Zero Fever Part 2. That's alright. Let's just flip through these because, wow. My god. These are nice, and there's so many. You know. Afraid that they got stuck together because, you know, it's been a few months. Sun, Woyoung, Maknae. Yes, these are super cute. Like, if I didn't get these from Subway, actually, it's my first ever order. I don't know what I was saying, but this is my first ever order from Sub K. Okay, some of them are legit sticking to each other, but yeah. Okay, so they're like really just behind the scenes photos of the photo cards. Damn. Okay. I need to sleeve this real quick. And then this is the ID photo set. Like, this is so long ago. Mingy was still on his break. It's nuts. So cute. Oh, sorry. Hello. Sorry, Mingy. Right. This is random. Okay. Anyway. Yep. And these are, I don't know what these are. Oh. Oh. Okay. And I have Woojong and Sun. Okay. Sub K shop sticker, light stick sticker. Oh, surprise giveaway. Okay, but clearly this is done. Because again, this was purchased in July. Alrighty. Now this is another oldie. I ordered this in June, and it's shiny stuff. So I literally do not remember what these are, but they're all Shiny World bits. Alright, so I got the light stick keychain, your shiny live because I watched that actually, and I really enjoy that. That was awesome. So glad we had like a few months of them back together. AR ticket set, Minnow. Oh. Why is this so extra? Right. There's like a lot of stuff in here. Stickers. Oh, that's cute. That's great because I actually don't have shiny stickers. AR photo card. Oh, it's like a bunch of stuff in here, like postcards. Because it's like a frame. Okay. Cool. And I guess it's just like how to use it. That's really nice. And I did get it for the other members as well. So this is, I don't know if it's strong or it's become brittle because it's been months. So I guess I don't have to take it out of that. Oh, so cute. Annyeong. Yeah, so that means I'll have 4 of these tickets. Okay. Yes, you get the same set of stickers. Right? Yeah. Okay. So cute. Later. This is Taman. Who is now in the military. Again, it's the same ticket thing. Wow. Same stickers, yes. Okay, and his little postcard. I miss Taman. And while I am thankful that we had those few months of them back together, oh, I do miss them already together. I hope you're okay, Taman. Where's Keys? I think this is Keys. I got a lot of Shiny World stuff. Wow, I splurged. Alright. The ticket again, and we have Key, his AR photo card. So cute. And his postcard. Wow. I actually did not get their season's greetings this year. I don't know why. Something about, oh, there are notes at the back. Something about the theme this year that I didn't like so much. And I thought that I was gonna get it, but because, you know, they're all back together, but no. All right. Cool. We should do these. What are these? Layered film sets. So it's a little transparent card right here. Okay, then there's no point in removing it from the plastic. And we have Key. Look at him, fierce. I love these little doodles. And we have Taman. Oh, are there 2? I think there's an what? Is it an overlay? Sorry, I do need to open it. I am destroying these envelopes. Yes, one is an overlay, so the little designs are as an overlay. Okay, like you see, I can take it out. And it's just like plain Taemin, like this, and then you can add the overlay if you wanted to. I think we're gonna keep it with the overlay when I display it in my binder. It's really cute. That's cute. I need to keep these cards though. Then we have Minnow. So cute. Alright. And this is a postcard book. Exciting. Wow, what is this? Okay. I'm like intrigued by what I got here. It's so funny. This is what happens when you get it like over 6 months ago. I full on forgot what I got. Alright, so this is the postcard book for Shiny World. Oh no. Like thicker. They're thicker postcards too, like much thicker. Wow. Okay, so yeah, like what I said, I was full on expecting to get the season's greetings, but I didn't because I wasn't like vibing with their theme. But now Shiny World, so glad I opened this now. This is my season's greetings, I guess. They're so cute. Oh, Taemin. Oh, Taemin. So cute. Look at them. Oh, I'm so happy that they were together. Oh, wow. That's a duality. Boom. Boom. Alright. Cool. Then we have these Deco sticker and photo sets. So they're all just full-on stickers. I got them for all 4 members as well. Probably because of these inclusions. So let's open those up. God, look at him. What an adorable human being, this guy. And like the singing ability, amazing. I loved him in what was that show where he was with like other K-drama actors, and like they were at the beach, by the beach, like serving up like at a cafe or something, and like I don't know, what is that? I'm gonna find that show's name and like put it in here somewhere, but I loved him there. He's so cute. I think he's such a gentle soul, but also a little sassy. I see it. Look at this. Another like film strip thing. Okay, I do not like these things when they just like print it. Like you can really see it says Fujifilm. BTS does this as well, but the photos are always really nice though. Like look at that. Like look at this of Annyeong. And then we have this, so let's use this as a little platform. Look at that. That's so cute. Okay, now I have a few of these film things. And we have the Deco, the sticker sheet. This is all like just stickers. Then we have an ONU sticker right there. So cute. ONU, alphabet, letters, symbols, all those doodles, similar style of doodles that you see in this little film thing. More stickers. That's cute. Okay, now we have Minnow. Okay, let's open it. Oops, sorry. You know, I'm sorry, don't hate me. This is just the board, so this is just faster because I think because it's so old, there's something wrong with the adhesive of the plastic. Yes, so that's Minnow sticker. I wonder what I'm gonna do with this sticker. I'll like cut it out. Anyway, that's this little photo card, Polaroid thing, and we have his film, square film. Where's my little white paper? Look at that. So cute. We have Taemin. These are huge, by the way. I mean, you can see how long it is. Anyway, this is photo card and the Polaroid. Super cute. And then this little film square. Film square. There you go. And his little postcard. Well, not a postcard. It's again that like printout, photo printout. And lastly, we have keys. This is the last thing from this Shiny World haul that happened like in June of last year. This sticker. Okay. Keys, photo card, and Polaroid. Well, let's take out his film square. Okay. And his photo print. Love it. These are big. Okay. That's it for the shiny stuff. Up next, ta-da! Monsta X One of a Kind. We're in a totally different era. Shown in the military. Yeah. And I have two copies of each version, so versions 1 to 4. Let's just go through this quickly, and I am pretty sure you guys would have already seen like a full flip through, so I won't be bothering with that today. I will literally just open them up, get the photo cards, hopefully hide it. That's it, right? If I watched it correctly. Those are the only inclusions that I should take note of. The reason why I'm doing this is I am gonna open them eventually. Like, I'll open one fully for sure. It's just that I don't know if I want to sell it or not, and I just want to preserve okay. That was a Pinky Peaks. Not it though. Okay. They are now all out. It's just time for the reveal. So let's go version by version. Okay, I'm just gonna leave space for the cards. So version 1. Again, I got 2 copies per version. Oh my gosh, a unit. Juhan and Kian. Oh, yes, that's so nice. And then I have the Kian card. Nice. What is this screw? Where's that coming from? And then this is I Am. Wow, look at him. I mean, I did love One of a Kind, so it's okay. Oh, Shonyu and Kian. Miss you, Shonyu. All right. Version 2. Okay, me too. Flipsies. So cute. Look at them. I Am and Juhani. And what's that? Oh. Juhan and Hyunwon. Yes. And then we have Juhani and Shonyu. Shonyu's my bias, actually. Oh my god, is that cut? Okay, fine. Yes, so version 2, we have Shonyu and Juhani. Version 3. Okay, I'm gonna hide the unit cards. Oh, sorry, hide the solo cards. Hyunwon and Kyunhee. I don't have dupes yet. That's awesome. Shonyu and Juhani. Oh, this is awesome. Then we have Minhyuk. Oh no, Kian and Minhyuk. Oh my god, look at Minhyuk. Wow. Ugh, Monsta X. Monsta X. Alright. This one. Okay, literally, right when I said no dupes, here comes the dupe. No probs. Then we have, yes. Hey, I only have one dupe. That's fine. That's great. Then we have Minhyuk and jokes. These are dupes, but it's fine. Nice. Now, I think these are the stickers. Then we have this. We have Juhani. Oh, so cute. Wait, that means I didn't get one of them from the album. Which one? Yes. Ooh. Oh my god, I am killing us. Alright, these are the stickers. So for version 2, another I am killer. And no way. Huh? Okay. Version 3. No. What? What is happening? Okay. Minhyuk. Minhyuk. So sorry I haven't opened you. Now you're like, what, pseudo leader? What? No way. Another I am? Okay. There's like too many of these. And we have Juhani. Kind of sad that there's no Shonyu, but that's all right because we have like 5 Minhyuks. 5 IMs. 1, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 IMs. Okay. 2 Juhans. Okay. Lots of dupes here, but you know what? I'm not gonna complain about IM because he's actually part of my bias line. All right, so that's Monsta X, one of a kind. I will be doing my own little flip through of these like privately, don't worry. It's just that it's been a long time since these albums have been out, so I am pretty sure you guys have seen full-on flip throughs. Okay, now let's get the last bit. Jokes. I unboxed the albums fully and saw that I left some stuff out, like these paper ornaments. Yeah, so paper ornaments and posters I forgot were in them. As you can see, for version 4, I pulled 2 Minhyuks. Really cute. I'm probably gonna keep those intact, or maybe pop one out. Okay, well, first poster is Juhani. Cute. Then we have Minhyuk. I was like lucky with a lot of Minhyuks in these pulls. He's so cute, love. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Fireworks are happening. Sorry. Alright, and we have version 3. Where I got Minhyuk again, and I did get an IM as well. So that's great. And the poster that I got is Shonyu. Spoiler alert, there's gonna be a lot of Shonyu posters here. Yep, see, there he is again. Okay, and for version 2, the paper ornament that I got was Keychain and Keychain. Okay, so I am so dumb. I thought that, oh my god, there are 2 versions of the paper ornament. No, they're like, one's the front side, one's the back side. I will realize that later on, but here is I am in all his glory, in his poster form. And it's Juhani? Yes. And the last version, version 1, I got 2 Shonyus. Did not get a Shonyu photo card, but I got 2 Shonyus of the paper ornament. So you know what, that's fine. That's fine. I can live with that. And guess what? Here he is again in poster form. I'm recording this audio as a voiceover, by the way, if you haven't noticed. Sorry. I was watching a YouTube video while I was recording this clip. Because, you know, I realized it really late. But at least I realized it, that I forgot some stuff. Oh, he's showing you. Yeah. I'm happy with that, though. Alright, and that's it. That's the real end of the one-of-a-kind portion. Let us now go into the next part. Ta-da! The last bit is Super Junior Renaissance. And yeah. Okay, let's start with this. Look at that hollow life, even with my nails. Alright. I don't remember what this is called. So, okay, Super Junior Renaissance came out in March. Or I ordered it in March, and there was a big drama on this because they were so delayed, and you know, I had to like change the shipping address because I was leaving Singapore like in May. Yeah. No, I was leaving Singapore. What? No, I had to change the address so that it would be shipped to my Philippine address. And they were just so delayed. Like this ended up like arriving in June, I think. Anyway. Alright. Look, I'm just gonna prepare all of these by removing all of the plastic sheets. Just so it's faster, because it's quite a lot of Super Junior stuff. Alright, I am done with removing the plastic, so let's go through these. I love the hollow detail, and this texture is really nice. It's the satiny type. The Renaissance. Wow. I'm not gonna flip through page by page, but let's just, oh my god. I do really like Super Junior. You know why? Okay, I always talk about how I watch a lot of variety shows, and it's because of that. They're all super active. And I've really been enjoying Annyeong, just because of how much he loves his family, his mom. Like, I watch Mr. House Husband, if anyone watches that. He's there. And Heechul, of course, I watch him in Men in a Mission. Alright, here we go, sorry. That was abrupt, but these are the photo cards. Okay, we have Ituk and Heechul. God, I think it's because they've been in there for so long that there are literal dents in the photo cards. Ugh, sorry. Okay, and yes, look at that. Like, look at them though. I don't know, like, I think Sorry is a bop. I do not mind, like, continuously listening to that. And look at them, and they're so close with each other. Their families are so close with each other as well. Like, Oh my god. I love them. I love them a lot. So Sapajou. Alright. The next one. This is like totally, how different are these? Okay. Anyway, I really felt compelled to get Renaissance because it's their 10th. Wow. Okay. Totally made a reveal right there. Okay, might as well because we've seen him. Keychain, yes, I love him. Super sassy, this guy. Look at that. And yes, the Keychain Shindong Annyeong unit. Okay. The same. I think it's really like that though. I think this version is like that if I remember correctly. Like you'll get this unit. Okay. I remember something. Oh my god, Annyeong. Look at that. Sorry, just a quick flipsy flips. Oh. Okay. Alright. Let's just, let's just do it. Let's just go straight to the photo cards. Okay, so we have this. Oh my god, it's literally the same thing. Except, so we got a double E-tuck, but we got this, and I am a sucker for mini PCs with a full group, and Super Junior is a big group, so is this different though? Like, no, I think it's the same. Similar? It's the same, right? Yeah. No, it's not. It's different. Okay. And then let's do this. Damn, this is like super velvety, satiny. Oh, I always have a hard time saying his name. Ryuwok. Okay, never mind. Anywho, we have Hichul, Maknae if Keychain wasn't around, and oh my god, Yisung. Oh, so cute. Cute. Oh, look at that. Gosh. Kim Hee-chul coming for us. Okay, now we're gonna go into the really big square ones, and I really want to emphasize the really big because I knew these were square, and you basically can choose the member. I got all the members. Actually, that's why my order was delayed, because they ran out of like some members, and then I was like, no, I will wait until you complete it because I want one of each. Anyway, these are a lot bigger than what I was expecting. I literally thought it would be like this size. This is the Monsta X one of a kind one. I thought they would be this size. Then again, I should have known because I did watch their little Suju, like Super Junior did a little unboxing. And that should have really told me that it's big. But let's open these up like properly. So let's start with Donghae, and they're all shuffled up. So I'm just gonna follow that. I'm not gonna go super detailed, but let's like open this up. This is huge. It's humongous. Like, what will I do with this? I was like even thinking, because I thought they were like smaller. I thought this would be able to fit in like a one pocket. No, it's not gonna happen. Again, and what am I gonna do with these? These are great though. I'm gonna figure out what to do with these. Like, oh my god, like there's a poster. Wow. All right. I am just still shook with how big these are. Anyway, this... Okay, what I'll do is I'll take all of these, since they're in these gold envelopes, which is nice. I'm gonna take them all out. That's Donghae. Sorry, I think I called him Keychain earlier. It's Keychain. Sorry, it came right after a Monsta X unboxing, so Love this color though. Okay. Again, super huge. But quickly take these out. I'm like, what is this? Like, is this just a placemat or something? Okay. Yeah, I thought these were small. I really thought they were small enough to fit in like a one pocket. They are not. I don't know what we are supposed to do with these, but check out these posters. Like, that's bomb. Kyuhyun has a great voice. BT dubs, and again, super sassy. What is this? Like, wow. What is this like mic drop looking unit? BTS mic drop. Okay. Oh, it's a theme. Did you see my bag? Did you see my bag? Okay, sorry. Okay. Let's get Kyuhyun's. Siwon, who I thought was an actor because I first saw him in She Was Pretty. I was like, wow, that guy's cute. And then he's a K-pop idol. I'm like, come on. Oh my god. Oh my god, what are we gonna do with that? Like, look at this. Why did they... These are like supersized versions of BTS Season's Greetings 2021 circle thingies. Wow. Oh my god. I mean, the choice in colored contacts is amazing. They are sparkling. Oh my god. Okay. This guy's... I don't know. Why did I open it? Oops, sorry. Spoiler. But... yeah, I love Siwon. Is he my bias in Super Junior? I don't know. TBH, I can't decide. So, that's why I basically... like... I don't know, collect them all, I guess. In my photo card collection, I only have, what is it, Time Slip. And I have all photo cards from that for all members. Yeah. This is the name that is very hard for me to pronounce. Rywook? Sorry. I hear it though when they're on shows. It's just hard for me to repeat. Oh, so cute. Damn. God. So cute. Okay, a lot of them are the same. What this is. Sorry, I will just go super fast. Let's get the gold envelope. Etuk. Ooh, Etuk's orange. It's totally matching with my cutter. Wow, okay. I love this look on him. I really like Etuk actually. A lot of they always tease him, like, but he's a great leader. He's been through a lot in life. I think he's really nice. So, and like, look at that. Annyeong! I would say my bias right now is him. Oh my god, did I cut through it? Yes, I cut it. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, he's like my bias right now. Again, because I love him. I'm so entertained. I think he's really cool. I love it that he's such a great host also on Weekly Idol. And he's a lead dancer. And I'm like, wow, look at him. So nice. I love him. And I think he's just so nice with like juniors as well, like an SM. And that's why he's such a nice host for Weekly Idol, because he's so nice to like the younger K-pop artists. And like they clearly love him also. Yeah. But like what I said, I love them all. Yesung, Yesung. Right. Sorry, I had to pause because I thought it stopped recording and it wasn't recording this whole time. Anyway, yes, I already got this. We have Heechul. I think Heechul is so funny. Like, I love him on Men on a Mission. I think he's so cool too. Like, I don't know. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. What was it? Was it Universal Superstar or something? That's what he's called. My god. I see why. I see why. Like, I don't know if you know about this, but okay, if you watch Korean variety shows, you will know it. But he has a little like rap duo with, oh my god, Kyung-hoon, who's the lead singer of Buzz, which is a band in Korea. And they have this little rap duo. And like in 2020, was it 2020 or 2021? 2020. They created a song called Annyeong. Like, check it out. Check out the whole making series on YouTube. Watch the song because I think it was meant to be some sort of gag or some sort of funny thing. I don't know, but basically I don't think they realized they expected that it would be that big, because just listen to it, you guys. It's a bop. Annyeong. Oogie acha. Look at it. It's so good. Anyway, last one, Shindong. I love Shindong. He's so great when he makes an appearance on like Men on a Mission. I mean, so cute. So cute. Again, guys, what am I supposed to do with these gigantic things? I'll really just find ideas from other YouTube videos that I can see and find. All right, let's leave one as a little backdrop when I, unbox these gold cards. Okay, so let's start. This is Shindong's. Okay, there are quite a few versions actually. Give me a sec. Right. Yes, okay, so I just needed to look at the template and then I would be reminded what was in the Renaissance stuff. So the longer one, so the non-square one. So we have Renaissance version and Passionate, Beautiful, Versatile version. Wow. Okay, so for the square style, you can get like 1 of 2 per member. So for Shindong's, I got this. Nice. Okay. No, it's another one of those like photo prints. Why does SM do SM and Big Hit? Why do you do that? Okay, I'm just gonna keep all of these in one envelope, and then let's keep this for now because I will keep photos here. Next is Heechul. Heechul, yes. I love these like photo cards that are not related at all to the concept of Renaissance. Right. Next. This song. Okay. And no, I'm not planning to get more of these photo cards. Not yet anyway. Mostly because I full-on forgot about Renaissance, because again, ordered this in March last year, but there's quite a few stuff here already. And Annyeong, oh my god, he's so cute here. Okay, I might get Annyeong's other one though, just because, not because I don't like this, because I like this. Should I just get everything else? I don't know. Look at that. so cute. Oh my god, like look at that. Oh my god. What do we do with you? Okay, I'm gonna learn how to say your name properly. I just don't want to keep butchering it. Oh my god, you're so cute. Look at that, it's so cute. It's so cute. And she won. Oh, I actually prefer this one because the other one is like scary. Wow. What is this robe? Okay. Cute. Wow. And the last one. Oops. Oh my god, I got the donghae with the mom. Yes. Okay, honestly, if there was one card though that I was really hoping to get, it was this. And I got it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay. Oh my god. Donghae. Hey, donghae. Alright. And that's it. We are done. And yeah, I think that's the last of my packages that have been around and albums that have been around since last year. Really super delayed unboxing. I hope you somehow enjoyed that little time travel because, you know, like this was stuff from like Q1 last year. Anyway, I enjoyed it, so I'm still really happy. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.